One nice thing that I also like is the fact that I can burn ISO images right off the back without having a third-party application like Roxio or Power to Go or anything like that. I'll go to an ISO on my computer real quick and show you what I'm talking about. Find an ISO. I believe I have an ISO of the Windows Server 2008. So there it is. I have this ISO on my computer and I needed to burn it real quick. All I gotta do is pop in a DVD, click on the ISO and tell it to burn. And there you have a fully burned DVD of your ISO image, which I particularly like because it's kind of handy, saves you from having to download or using a third-party application. Um, Now, one thing that I see particularly very useful for people that help other people with computer trouble or IT technicians is the problem step recorder. What a problem step recorder is it basically just records everything a user is doing at the user's command, and whenever they stop the recording, it goes ahead and zip everything they had done into a folder and um, make it make it possible for the user to email it to somebody to help them. So I'm going to show you how that works real quick. All you got to do is go here and type in PSR and your problem stop recorder starts. Once this is over here, the user can go ahead and start recording. Now what it's going to do is from the moment I hit start till the time I hit stop recording, it's going to capture every action that I take on my computer. And this is helpful if you wanted to tell somebody what's going on with your computer, what you were doing, what when the problem occurred. This will save you all the words in the world. You can just go through what you usually do your usual user stuff, and after you're done, stop your recording, have the zip file, and email it to them. So I'm just gonna do a little demonstration of how this works. So let's say I was a user, I was having trouble. Um, I click start record, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do regular user stuff. For example, I'm gonna go to Microsoft Office Picture Manager, and in here I'm just gonna click around and just do normal user stuff. So you notice this is still recording, so I'm gonna go over here and click picture tools. I'm gonna go to customize, show shortcuts if I want, close, um, locate pictures. I'm just clicking around so you can see the effect of the problem step recorder. um, I'm gonna close out of this and then I'm gonna open a browser and gonna go to another website. And once I'm there, I'm just gonna close out of this, just doing regular stuff. So okay, let's say the user has gone through what they usually do and the problem has occurred. Now they can go ahead and do stop record. Okay, so what that does is as soon as you hit stop, it will automatically capture everything, zip it up in the folder for you. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just give it a name. So I'm gonna name it problem one, and I'm gonna save this onto my desktop. So let's go in and see what that did. So here's problem one that's been zipped for me, and I will go ahead and open it. So the user has got this thing already ready to go. So the user has gone through what they usually do, and they have this problem file zipped and ready to email to me or to somebody to help them fix it. So whenever they email this file folder to me, all I gotta do is open it and see what's in it, and it's basically an HTML file, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it's in there. So I could see the user. Uh, uh, let's wait till it loads. Okay. So there you can see this is a screenshot of the user's desktop, and I can see the user left click on Microsoft Office Picture Manager, and I'm like, okay, what else did they do? Um, the, it will highlight everything that the user did also in green for you, so you can see, and also give you a text of what they did. So they open Picture Manager, okay, and what else did they do? Um, Click on Picture, and what else do they do? They left click on Tools, and after that, what did they do? They click on customize. You can see over there. And what happened from there? They checked. User click show shortcut keys in screen tips. They checked that little box. So it's telling me what all the user did. So I'm following this and trying to figure out what was wrong with the computer, and blah 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 all the way down to the user stops recording. So I see everything that this user has done, and I can from here I can trying to figure out a way to help the user if I can. So that's pretty handy tool to have for people that have trouble on their computer and need help from somebody. This will save you a lot of words. You just do this and send them this file. So that's pretty handy. Um, Another thing that I've already talked about in my other videos, and if you want to watch this, it's in another video of mine. It's called maintaining and not maintaining, mounting and creating virtual hard drives in Windows 7. You can literally create a virtual hard drive and mount it um, on another Windows 7, and it acts just like a physical hard drive. You can use this on a virtual machine, or if you want to take a look at it, just look at my other video. It's pretty neat. And another thing that I'll be showing you later is how to create a home group. Eh, it's another way of just networking your home computers. They've just really made it really easy for people just to network, connect their computers together if they have a little home network. What it does is it just gives you, um, you start a new home group, and it will give you a unique key on one computer, and you take that unique key and essentially just enter the key on another computer in your house. And when you do that, that networks those two computers together, and then from there you can kind of specify which files and folders you want to share. Um, it makes it very easy, unlike the traditional Windows sharing, folder sharing on your network. This makes it easy. And one really nice thing is that, let's say I have two computers. I have a laptop and a desktop in my study area, and I wanted to play music. My laptop speakers aren't that loud, and I wanted to really play some music. So what I can do is, since I'm on a home network, I can easily stream music from my laptop onto my desktop without actually copying the file over. So if I have my laptop running, I can easily just stream a music file or a video file right from that computer without copying the file over. So that's pretty handy. Um, I'm gonna end this segment, and I'm gonna be putting up more videos. So feel free to look back, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day. Thank you.